everybody, and I hope you're all feeling pasta-like because today we're going to be making pasta alla matriciana. And the first ingredient is tomato sauce, which is 400 grams, spaghetti, which is 320 grams, bacon, which is 150 grams, some salt, white wine, 50 milliliters, extra virgin oil, some of it, and parmesan or grana, 50 grams. Now you get a large pan and you fill it up with water and you leave it to boil and on medium fire. Then you get a medium pan, you get the extra virgin oil and you put it in. Because, not too much, because the bacon is already kind of oily. Then you put the bacon inside and you leave it to cook until the color becomes golden and you keep on mixing. Now we leave them to cook for about 8 minutes. Now that the bacon has become golden, we can put the white wine in. And then we can put the heat higher. And we keep on mixing. Very importantly, you have to leave the white wine to evaporate. After that the white wine has evaporated, I took out the bacon. Now I can get the tomato sauce. I put it in and I leave it to cook for about 15 minutes. Now that the tomato sauce is ready, we can put the bacon in, swish off the heat and start mixing. Now that the water is boiling, we can put the salt in and we can put the spaghetti in. Now you have to leave them to cook for how many minutes it says on the pasta box. Now the spaghetti is cooked, we can get it and we can put it in with the sauce and we can start mixing. We can get the parmesan and we can spread it out evenly all over the wonderful plate. We have finally finished our wonderful plate. And I'm really going to enjoy it. And I really hope that you guys will too. Thank you so much for watching again. And please subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much. Bye.